Let's go guys. Good morning. Today is a wet day. Kasama ko si Mercedes. Oh, look. Nobody here is only me. And also the birds. Wet day. Another dull day today. Enjoy the weather. Whatever. Ayan, wrap up tayo. Walking mode together with my Mercedes Benz. So, food shopping for a week. Enjoy guys. Enjoy. Walking mode ang lola nyo. Oh, pack. Hindi naman masyadong malamig. Masyadong tao dito sa park. We're shopping early. Wala masyadong tao. Para mas mabilis at madali akong makauwi. Diba? Enjoy your day, everybody!